Going on the welfare of SC, ST, BCs, minority and women, sir. The Social Welfare Department for the year 24-25, sir, 28,724.53. The percentage of budget estimate is 9.87%, sir. In 25-26, sir, the allocation was 35,694.30, which is again, if we have to see, is 11.70%, sir. For tribal welfare, again, if we have to see, sir, in the year 24-25, the percentage was 5.19, and in 25-26, it was 4.98. Backward classes, again, if we have to see, sir, for the year 24-25, the budget estimate, the percentage allocation for backward classes was 3.16%, sir. In the year 25-26, again, it was 3.74%. Minority welfare, sir, out of the total budget, the allocation made, the percentage for the year 24-25 was 1.03%. And in the financial year for 25-26, the allocation now is 1.18%, sir. Women and child welfare, sir, for the year 24-25, the total allocation, the percentage of women, child and disabled welfare is 0.92%. In the year 25-26, the percentage is the same, 0.92. Sir, if we have to see the total allocation made in the financial year 24-25, the total welfare budget was for all social welfare, tribal welfare, backward classes, minority welfare, women, child and disabled welfare. The total comes to, for the year 24-25, 58,721.19. This is only 20% of the total budget allocation, sir. 20% of the total state budget, sir. So for the year 25-26, the total amount for all these welfare is 68,660.42. Again, that is 22.51%, sir. Last year, it was 20.17. So now this year, they have made it 22.51, sir. Sir, apart from all these allocations for welfare departments, sir, together adds up to 75. If we have to see, sir, the total allocation for all these departments, apart from scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, special development from SDF of rupees 40,232 crore, scheduled tribe SDF of rupees 17,169 crore, the state budget for 25-26 and marks 11,405 crores for BC welfare, 3,591 crores for minority welfare and rupees 2,862 crores for women, child and disabled welfare. The allocation for all these welfare together adds up to rupees 75,259 crores, accounting for almost 25% of state budgets. Honorable panel speaker, sir, I would like the government to ensure that the allocation meant for welfare departments are fully released and spent in every financial year so that the benefits of the welfare schemes for SC, STs, BCs and minority communities and women and child reach them in time, sir. Firstly, sir, it has not been released. Allocations are being made, but BROs are also released. But unfortunately, sir, the expenditure is not being done. And then, sir, I would also urge the government to announce the time frame for implementation of the enhanced BC reservation as SC categorization, as the bills have already been enacted by the Telangana legislature, sir. We have already enacted the bill for the BC and SC, sir. So I urge the government to announce the time frame for the implementation of the enhanced BC reservation, sir. Sir, when can the recruitment process be resumed on the basis of the enhancement of reservation for BCs and categorization of SCs in the state, sir? Sir, हम बिल तो पास कर दिए BCs और SCs के लिए, लेकिन ये जरूरी है कि रिक्रूटमेंट जो होंगे, रिक्रूटमेंट का जो प्रोसेस रिज्यूम होगा, तो क्या वो इनहैंस रिजर्वेशन पे करेंगे या नहीं करेंगे, सर? दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, सर. Sir, I would also like to reiterate my demand for the implementation of BC sub-plan and minority sub-plan as promised by in the Congress manifesto, sir. Sir, I may recall that after the bifurcation AP has been implementing the BC sub-plan since 2019 and minority sub-plan since 2022 by enacting the legislation in this regard. Sir, giving the example of this which has been implemented in Andhra Pradesh, the MIM party has been making demands and requesting the then previous government, the BRS government, we had been requesting the government to kindly implement the minority sub-plan and a BC sub-plan. But unfortunately, the BRS government failed to implement these minority sub-plan and BC sub-plans, sir. So now I stand here and I make the same demand requesting the Congress government to please fulfill the promise made to the people before the elections and implement the BC sub-plan and minority sub-plan, sir. So the AP government enacted the AP BC Sub-Plan Act 13 of 2019 and the AP Minority Component Act 2022 Act number 6 of 2022 to give statutory backing to these sub-plan. So the then BRS government did not come up with BC sub-plan and minority sub-plan during its 10-year rule, sir. Though the second annual budget has been presented by the Congress government, there is no word on BC and minority sub-plan, sir. Sir, it is a very important promise made to the people of the state, sir. I hope that when the Honorable Minister is going to reply, will for sure answer to the important issue of BC sub-plan and minority sub-plan which has been raised by me and my party MIM, sir. So I also, Honorable Panel Speaker, sir, I would request the government to enact legislation on BC and minority sub-plan and NMARC allocation for these two sub-plans on the lines of SC and ST, SDF in the next financial year, sir. Sir, going further ahead, sir, where is this Dalit Bandhu, sir? No Dalit Bandhu is there, sir. The budgetary allocation for scheduled caste development department is a massive rupees 35,694 crores. For the year 25-26, the previous government had launched the Dalit Bandhu scheme for providing a grant of rupees 10 lakh to each beneficiary in 21-22, sir, financial year, and again in the year 2021 and 2022, and the expenditure on the scheme was rupees 2,000 crores in the year 2022 and 2023, sir. In 2023 and 2024, rupees 17,700 crores were allocated for Dalit Bandhu, with a target to cover 1,500 beneficiaries per assembly constituency. But the actual expenditure was zero, since not a single rupee was disbursed by the BRS and the Congress government in the last financial year, sir. In the current year, the allocation for Dalit Bandhu, renamed as Ambedkar Abhaya Hastam, was reduced to rupees 2,000 crores for covering 20,000 families, beneficiaries, but the actual expenditure again is zero, sir. So there is a huge shortfall in budgeted expenditure of the SC Development Department as well as SC Special Development Fund year after year, sir. The actual expenditure turns out to be much below the revised estimate and the budget estimate, sir. So please, please see the outcome budget book of SC Department in page 6, sir. SC Department. Page 6, sir. When we really see that, sir, the staff position working 56%, sir, 2,335, and vacant is 44%, sir, 1,811 out of 4,146 posts sanctioned, sir. Sir, also, Honorable Panel Speaker, sir, I request to see in this, sir, page number 41 in chapter 5, review of past performance, physical target and achievement, sir. It's very clearly mentioned in that, sir. Sir, what are the new corporations for SC doing is one question, sir. The reason why I ask this, sir, in the Congress manifesto, I am also carrying the Congress manifesto, sir. It is here in the Congress manifesto, page number 11, in Chevalla SC/ST declaration, promised to establish 3 new SC corporations and provide grants of rupees 750 crores to each corporation every year. The three corporations are one, Madiga Corporation, Mala Corporation, and the other is SC Subcaste Corporation. Sir, what are the new corporations for tribals doing? Now, the next question, sir. So the budgetary allocation for tribal welfare department is 15,169 crores for the tribal welfare in 2025 and 2026 budget, sir. The Congress government has formed three separate corporations, including Kumaram Bhim Adivasi Corporation Finance Corporation, Sant Seva Lal Lambada Corporation Finance Corporation, Ekalavya Corporation Finance Corporation, in addition to existing Telangana Scheduled Tribe Corporation Finance Corporation and Girijan Cooperative Corporations. So there is no word in the tribal welfare demand and the outcome budget of the functioning of these corporations and the number of beneficiaries covered under the schemes of these corporations. So the actual expenditure turns out to be much below the budget estimate for the year financial year 2023 and 24 and 2024 and 2025 financial year. Please see, I request please see the page number 65, page number 71 and page number 76 in the outcome budget 2025 of Tribal Welfare Department, sir. Sir, when we see these page numbers, sir, the tribal welfare, I'm talking about page number 65, sir. I spoke about the entire data is here, sir. Sara data is, sir, the scholarship. Everybody, they talk and they speak about being the champions of the tribal welfare, sir. Now, when we see, sir, scholarship RTF, sir, page number. So what was the physical target, sir? 1,30,000. Achievement, 50,126, sir. The percentage is only 38%. Sir, if we see scholarship post MTF, sir, again, the target was 1,30,000 and the achievement is only 89,000, sir, for the year 23-24, sir. If we have to come to 24-25, sir, 1,31,034 was the target and the achievement is 56,708. This is 43% only, sir. Sir, and also for scholarships for post MTF, again, sir, the target was 1,31,000, but the achievement is 43%, which is 54,544, sir. The coaching of ST students for eligibility test for admission in foreign universities, sir. Yes, number of students targeted for the year 23-24 were 200. Achievement was 82%. Sir, in the year 24-25, the target was 200, but the achievement was only 119. This is only 60%, sir. So the thing is that, sir, where are we heading? Where are we going, sir? Sir, if we turn the next page also, economic support system. Economic support system. This is the real, true picture, sir. And it is very sad. It is very sad when I see these figures. Okay, nobody is seeing these figures. Nobody is talking about these figures, sir. Sir, economic support system, sir, number of families for the year 23-24, the physical target. Honorable panel speaker, sir, you should also listen to this, sir. It's very important. The physical target was 22,000, sir. And the achievement out of 22,000 is only 2,849, which is only 13%. Isn't it sad? Only 13%, sir. Sir, for the year 24-25, the physical target, economic support system, 21,428. Sir, achievement, now you see, sir. What answer does the Congress government has for this, sir? The achievement, the target was 21,428 and the achievement is only 900.